Here is I am doing preparation in master bedroom. It's not so big. We have tiles here. Tiles. You see how it's here. And we have also staircase. So I found the place for my laser, which is showed me. This is the green, and this is the highest spot. So we will play from height from the staircase. So if we come to this side, opposite side, you see this line approximately here is a 3/4 maybe inch, and this side is sloping. It's really visible if you see from this edge. It's just going down. And also if you have a look right here, we have here exactly maybe ½ inch. So when I fill this side, my hardwood will flat with tiles, what the owner wants. So that side, it's level. You see, here is a line. Here is a less than maybe 1/8, maybe not. So you see, here is a 0. So the same height like in staircase. So now I wanna put primer over the planning patch. Why I put planning patch? Because planning patch fill up all holes and no any leaks downstairs. So finalize this. I wanna say this side it's going down, not much, but this side is flat. So I don't have enough space, you know, to do leveling all the way, patch it. So first of all, I will finish this side today, and tomorrow I move everything to this place and then finish this side. And after a couple of days, when it's getting dry, I will start floor installation, engineering floor. Now I'm doing very important part of my job. I'm installing tripods. You see, tripods on the middle have a bottom plate. So this bottom plate I have to set up exactly on the laser line. When the laser line attached to the bottom plate, it means this is level. So very easy to see how many self-leveling compound I have to put. Install these tripods very easy. Just you have to screw it in or screwing out this central bolt and set up this bottom plate on laser line. So I do tripod installation sometimes very narrow between each other, sometimes wider, but it's not wider than 4 feet between each other. So why I put here so many? Because you know this subfloor sloping to one side, and I need to know exactly where is the deep, where is the you know, almost 0 points. You see, laser here. There is the highest spot on the stairs. And now you can see I set up tripods. This is the green line on the bottom plate. This is the level. You see? Here is maybe almost inch. With straight edge You can do like this, you see? Now I start fill up this area with self-leveling compound. In this video I didn't show how I put foam around the wall. If you remember, I explained in previous videos, this foam need to for expansion gap, and also it protects the walls, gaps between walls and subfloor, to avoid any leaks downstairs. On the bottom of this foam I put silicone, and then I put primer, T-primer on the floor for better bonding. Then I put Plani patch over this primer, and then I put another coat over the Plani patch of primer, and after that I only start doing leveling. So when you're doing leveling, very important things, you have to put always primer, and don't hesitate, put more primer than less. Primer need for better bonding subfloor and new self-leveling compound. If you don't put primer, you will get in the future problem, because self-leveling compound can pop up from the subfloor. So if you put primer, you protect you 100%. Oh, you see in previous video some guys ask me why you not using spike shoes. So here is I'm using. I'm not using if I'm not putting I'm not using this spike shoes if I not put don't put Plani patch, because if it's only silicone on the edges of plywood, when I walk with spike shoes I can make a holes and can make leaks downstairs. So but when I put Plani patch and Plani patch dry, Plani patch very solid material, now I can walk with these spike shoes very easy. We can walk in very deep spots without any problems, and your shoes were always clean. So this roller, what I'm using now, it's it's extra. If you buy tripods, you can get this roller extra. This roller has a buffer. I'm specially create this buffer and order it. This buffer don't avoid to spread the self-leveling compound to the walls. So this is the next day. You see how it's nice, and I put fans to take off moisture from the concrete. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.